Hi friends, it's time for another science experiment. Today we're going to use some baking soda, some vinegar, and some food coloring. We're going to see what happens when we combine two different chemicals. Now baking soda doesn't smell like much. Hardly anything at all. Now I'm going to put some in the bottom of my bowl here. Just kind of shake it out like you had a good old snowstorm. This one's got some lumps in it, so I'm going to flatten those out. I'm using a spoon. If you happen to have an eyedropper at home, that's a great tool to use. Not for flattening out the baking soda, but for the rest of our experiment. Okay? Kind of shake it, get it all even out. All right. Now this is where I wish you had smell-o-vision again, because we're back to using that vinegar. It's a great thing to have. Woo! Try and smell yours at home too. So what I did was pour a little vinegar into each of these 3 containers. Because it's clear, it's kind of hard to see, but it's in there. It doesn't need much. And then I'm going to choose some colors. I've got some green. I'm going to add some green. Let's see that one. And how about some blue? Get the blue in there. We've been doing so many experiments with food coloring, I'm almost out. In fact, I think this blue is out. And how about some red? Okay. And we're going to stir them very gently. That one looks pretty good. You know what? I think I'm going to stir it this way. I'm not picking it up. I'm just rotating the bowl a little bit to get the color all the way through. What do you think is going to happen when we add some of this to that? Let's find out. If you have a spoon, you want to be careful not to spill. Just kind of carry it over there very carefully. Here we go. What do you think is going to happen? Whoa! Look at that foam. Isn't that cool? Let's try our blue. Look at the pattern that made. Where the bubbles popped, there are holes. It looks kind of like Swiss cheese. Let's try the green. I'm going to put a lot on in this one. Oh, there's some good foaming. That's cool. Let's see what happens when I put this on top of the red. What color is it going to be after the bubbles go away? Kind of looks different, doesn't it? Let's try the red and the blue. What color is going to be left? So I used a lot on those, but you can do just a drop. See if you can do just one drop. One little drop. There, one drop over here. That was more than one. That's hard to do, to control it, to do just one drop. Because vinegar and baking soda are both chemicals, this is what we call a chemical reaction. You see those foam up? That foaming action is the reaction. Pretty cool. This color is different from that color, isn't it? I'll try combining some over there. See what happens. You can use these colors and make all kinds of images. See what you can make. Have lots of fun. Bye.